Hey beautiful family, welcome back to my channel. This channel is about love, positivity, beauty, and real life. And if you're down with that, stick around and subscribe. So I'm popping in really quick today to talk to you guys about a couple of things. Number one, I'm going to be posting on Wednesdays and Saturdays for right now until I can get back on my feet, because right now my job is looking for a job. Being unemployed is like having a full-time job. I wake up when my husband wakes up at 6:30 and I get on my laptop and I start applying to places. When he gets home, that's when I stop for the day. So I just had an interview. I need to get out of here and go home. But I really appreciate all the support that I'm getting from you guys. And another huge thing, please let me know what you want to see from me. If you want to see, unboxings, if you want to see more tutorials, vlogs, let me know. Let me know what content you would like to see. That is so important. Please let me know in the comment section down below. I always answer every single comment. You guys have been with me through all of it, and I didn't share my SA story with you guys until a month ago, but when it was happening, I just didn't realize that it was happening, I guess, or maybe it was denial. So I wanted to let you guys know my previous employer denied my unemployment. So thanks to them, I am unable to pay my bills. I hopefully will get a job within the next week. I'm praying. Shoot up a prayer for me. It's just the worst. What a smack in the face. After all they did to me, what Steven did to me, it's like being re-victimized all over again. And I am not kidding when I say that. That is the feeling that I get. I am sick to my stomach. I don't want to go down and check the mail because I'm afraid that I don't know what I'm afraid of, but I don't want to talk to him and I don't want to see him. So I hope that the hearing is over the phone, which it most likely will be. But I don't want to be anywhere near him. But yeah, so that's another great thing. But anyway, I am going to get going. I never do short videos, but this video is short. And if I leave anything out, I'll put it in the description box down below. But yeah, that's it. I love you guys so much. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.